It is 7:47, May 3rd. Month's already getting through. I can see New Jersey's Turnpike going south, nice and clear. Lots of clouds out there, but they're kind of sporadic. I don't know what that is. Just deep out there towards New York, and broken up over towards Kearney. No wind. It's very dry right now, and humid, warm. On a car. Very humid out here, but nice weather. There's a big old jumbo jet going past, going south. You can see it up there. It's a big jumbo jet. You see the turnpike south. Let me see if I can zoom up. I'm paralyzed. New York over here. Trapped up my door here, opens up behind me. I push it. I push it without rolling backwards down the hill. On the ramp. I'm gonna steady myself. I wanted to come out here tonight before I settle in for the night and get some air. I'm looking for my friend in the building, but I don't know where she's at. I have a slight headache tonight. Well, it's more of a headache. It feels like allergies. Or it could be my eyes from looking at the phone too long. My hip isn't killing me too bad as it was earlier.